Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about stunning bright living room ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. A bright living room can make all the difference in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in your home. By incorporating bright colors, natural light, and clean design elements, you can achieve a simple and stunning living space that is both comfortable and stylish. One of the easiest ways to create a bright living room is to paint the walls in light and neutral colors, such as white, cream, or pastel shades. These colors help to reflect natural light and create a feeling of spaciousness. You can also add pops of color through decorative pillows, rugs, and artwork. Natural light is essential in creating a bright and airy living room. To maximize the amount of natural light, consider removing heavy drapes and replacing them with sheer curtains or blinds. You can also add mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Another way to achieve a simple and stunning bright living room is to incorporate natural elements, such as plants or flowers. These natural elements not only add color and texture to your space, but they also help to purify the air and create a calming environment. In terms of furniture, choose pieces with clean lines and minimalistic designs. Avoid bulky furniture that can overwhelm a small living room. Opt for a comfortable sofa, accent chairs, and a coffee table that can serve as a focal point of the room. Lighting is also crucial in creating a bright living room. You can install a dimmer switch to control the amount of light and create a cozy atmosphere in the evenings. Consider adding table lamps, floor lamps, or pendant lights to create a layered and visually interesting lighting scheme. In conclusion, creating a simple and stunning bright living room is all about incorporating light and airy design elements, natural light, and neutral colors. By following these tips, you can create a welcoming and stylish space that is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and spending time with your loved ones. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a stunning bright living room ideas. Thank you.